Hello everybody and welcome back to DLD Customs. Dylan here, and today, as you can see, I'm outside in the garage right now. Came in here to warm up a little bit, not that it's much warmer, just out of the wind. Just gonna be an update on the snow in Ohio. Go outside here in a second. So I cleared the truck, this side of the truck out, and this is most of the snow that I had to move over. Here, I'll just go over the door. Here's a big old pile of snow. I'll go out here in a second, show you guys, like, the cars are all pretty much tripped. If you look over across the street at my grandma's house, you can see that hump right in the middle. That's up to about the middle of the garage. We definitely got a lot of snow, lots of snow. Started. So this is all the snow we got out here, folks. You can see up to here, it's pretty much almost up to the truck door. This is plowed stuff, but back behind it there, that's all untouched. Untouched fresh snow. Figure I'd come out here and start the old truck up while I'm showing you guys off the snow. Do a cold start. That's pretty much going to do it for this video, guys. Just want to show you guys what the snow looked like and what the truck sounded like doing a little cold start. It's probably about 0 degrees outside today. Absolutely freezing. Probably got, I don't even know, 8 to 10, 12 inches of snow. In some spots are deeper than other spots where, you know, it's really windy, so we had some big drifts and stuff. But thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Hope you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.